Let me take you all to my journey into creating Snowy Mountain and the Northern Lights. This piece was created for a client in Mumbai, and they were very specific with the details and how they wanted the piece to come out, and I'm so glad that it actually came out like that. Let me take you to the process behind. So we start by prepping up our base with a primer, which is also called a gesso, Gesso. Then we start up by creating our mountains. I have used a resin clay into creating these mountains. These mountain ranges are created in resin A plus resin B clay form, which is a mold clay from Hobby Ideas, India, and it's just a very crafty process. I work with a lot of different tools, and these are all indoor made tools. Maybe I use toothpicks or I'll use sculpture spatulas, and I've used a lot of anthracite clays from Crafter Corners India's as well. I actually lost my first resin pour video into creating this process because my battery died and I did not know it unless my work was finished. So I made sure that this time I show you my second layer, which I've done to create the Northern Lights into the Black River. Resin is always intriguing, but yet it could get really messy if all the instructions are not followed. Everything related to the chemical is not followed. So other than just mixing the two parts, it's really important to know the in and outs of the chemical, because after all, resin is a chemical and you need to be really prioritizing your health and people's health around you. I just love creating these Northern Lights, and this is not my first piece. In fact, this would be like my fourth piece of creating the Northern Lights into the oceans and into the sky as well. And I just feel that these Northern Lights call me day by day. I've not visited them yet, but surely one day when everything is fine, the world is COVID free, I would love to travel. As I see that my resin is cured after 24 hours, I'll de-tape it. And the new thing that I've started using is using a wax seal to mark like a little identity, a little cute identity of Farben Corner product into the product itself by using a handmade stencil. And here's the final view of the whole product. Sorry for the bad voice, my nose is not really doing well, but it was lovely to create this piece. I think I just get more attached to creating the natural escapes. Every time I create a new one, it's just so amazing. And more than that, I just love shooting them, photographing them, and just making sure that everything reaches to you on time. If you have any questions, do let me know in the comment section, and I would be really happy to help you.